What's going on, guys? Happy Sunday. So let's go ahead and take a little look into the triple Qs, the NASDAQ 100. We had big selling pressure, down 4.5 points, 1% on the day on Friday's session. Before I get started in this video, please do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Also join the Discord that's down in the link below. I kind of do these technical analysis breakdowns on particular stocks that I'm trading or stocks that you guys are interested in trading to kind of give us a better overall look of the market so we can pick our spots and trade these stocks accordingly. So just taking a look at the NASDAQ, coming off of highs here of 382.78. I know we've had a little bit of downward pressure and downward moves in the market. Nothing to be too concerned about. Okay, the market is not going to zero. This is not the market crash. So a lot of you guys out there who are so concerned about the market going to zero or this is the next crash, stop trying to predict that next drop, because you're going to be waiting for that drop. And yeah, we might be coming into support. We might have a red day here and there. Next thing you know, the market is going to be pushing all-time highs, and you're going to kind of be missing out on the areas of opportunities to pick up on some of these trades. The overall triple Qs has been doing phenomenal ever since coming off, reclaiming the 50-day moving average back in the middle of May. So if we just take a look at it, May, June, July, August, and now we're in September. So we've had about 5 months, of making higher highs. So this is nothing to be too concerned about here. Now, a couple of things that I want to take a look at here on the triple Qs is, if we look at what we were trying to do here, we were basing out here, but we were getting rejected at the 10-day moving average. Now, for me, on a swing trader's outlook, the 10-day moving average is really the start and the birth of the trade. Obviously, the 50-day moving average as well as the 200-day moving average is going to kind of tell us, are we bullish or are we bearish? So obviously, being that we are over the 50-day moving average, to me, we are very bullish. However, if we are looking from a shorter term perspective, we are looking at the 10 and the 20-day moving average as kind of our guides here for swing trading. And then obviously, if we're scalping, we want to be over the 5-day moving average or the 9 EMA or whatever short-term sentiment indicator that you use. But having this downward pressure here, we are finally closed below the 20 as well as this linear regression channel 50 line here. You can see these tails that we had, 1, 2, 3, 4 tails here that we had where we kind of tested this support here, bounced off, and finally got that close below. So what I can see happening here is, could we get a little bit of a bounce heading into this week and then kind of get rejected at the 20 and the 5-day moving average here? That could be entirely possible, and then start another leg down. Or we can take out Friday's lows of about 372 in that area and then start heading lower. If we do take out these lows here, which is going to be taking out this channel from September the 15th, we do have a little bit of space to clear. What I would personally like to see and kind of hang tight for is pick my spots on some stocks in the NASDAQ 100 that are showing weakness at support. And if we lose this channel here from Friday and start to push lower, look to trade those particular stocks that have been resting on support that have room down and trade those to the short side. I would like to see the triple Qs come down here to around this 369.5 area. That is going to be testing the 50-day moving average. If we can come down here and test the 50-day moving average, sort of bounce off and then start to push higher, then we can, not time the bottom, but look for an area of opportunity to bounce a lot of these stocks that either lost support and reclaiming, or stocks that were resting on lower supports and now starting to get that bounce up. If we do, however, start to lose this 50-day moving average, that's when things sort of change and the market sentiment is going to go from bullish to bearish. Even though we had a lot of these red days here, we had a couple red days here, the overall market has been going higher. So until we lose this 50-day moving average, I am not looking to just start shorting everything until we lose this 50-day moving average. What I am looking for is short scalps on particular stocks if we lose this channel here and start making our way down to the 50-day moving average. And then once we get down here, if we do get the bounce on the overall market, that's when I'm going to be looking to play stocks back to the long side. I hope that kind of helps you guys, give you an overall perspective. Please like the video, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think the market is going to do. What stocks are you looking to trade? I'll try to do some videos on that. And also join the Discord. I will see you guys all in there this week.